Hey coin collectors and curious minds. Welcome back to Old Charles, your go-to spot for amazing coin stories and values from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into a coin that many Filipinos know very well, the 1993 5 peso coin from the Philippines. Is it just spare change, or is it hiding some serious value? Let's find out. The 5 peso coin from 1993 marks a significant moment in Philippine currency history. It was part of the improved Flora and Fauna series, which was introduced to help modernize and standardize the coinage system in the Philippines. In 1993, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, was newly established, replacing the Central Bank of the Philippines. That year, the BSP began issuing coins under its new name, and the 1993 5 peso was one of the first coins released bearing the name Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas on the reverse. Now let's talk about the design. On the obverse or front side, you'll see the portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines and a key figure in the Philippine Revolution against Spain. Just above his portrait is his name, and below, the text Republica ng Pilipinas. And yes, you'll spot the year 1993 clearly marked below his collar. Flip it to the reverse side, and you'll find the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, newly minted at the time. This makes the 1993 issue quite special. It's the first 5 peso coin to feature the updated BSP seal. The 1993 5 peso coin is made of copper nickel, with a round shape and reeded edge. It weighs about 7.7 grams and has a diameter of 27 millimeters. This coin was only issued in 1993 in this design. That means it was a one-year type, making it slightly more collectible than multi-year issues. As for mintage, millions were struck for circulation, but not all of them survived in mint condition. Most circulated coins have visible wear, while uncirculated examples are much harder to come by. Now to the part you've been waiting for. What is the value of a 1993 5 peso coin today? If your coin is heavily circulated, with visible scratches and wear, its value is typically 5 to 15 pesos, basically face value or just above for collectors completing a set. But if your coin is in uncirculated or near mint condition, it can sell for 50 to 150 pesos, depending on the buyer and market demand. And here's the kicker: if you have a proof version or a coin in a sealed mint set ***, it might be worth even more, sometimes reaching 200 to 300 pesos or higher among dedicated collectors. Remember, condition is key. Coins with strong details, no scratches, and shiny surfaces always fetch a better price. Want to know if your 5 peso coin is worth more? Here's what to look for. Sharp details on Emilio Aguinaldo's face and collar, clear date and clean BSP logo, no green spots, corrosion, or heavy scratches, strong edge reading, those little ridges on the side. If you have a coin like that, consider storing it in a protective case. It could become even more valuable in the future. The 1993 5 peso coin may not be extremely rare today, but its historical context, unique one-year design, and connection to the founding of the modern BSP make it a coin worth keeping. Collectors in the Philippines and beyond are starting to pay more attention to coins from the 1990s, especially those in high-grade condition. So don't throw that old coin away just yet. So there you have it, the full story and value of the 1993 5 peso coin from the Philippines. Do you have one in your collection? Let us know in the comments below. In the early 1990s, the Philippines was undergoing significant political and economic transitions. After the 1986 People Power Revolution, which ended the Marcos dictatorship, the country entered a phase of rebuilding and modernization. One of the changes during this time involved the national currency. In 1993, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, was established, replacing the old Central Bank of the Philippines. This marked the beginning of a new era for the country's monetary system. The 1993 5 peso coin was one of the first coins issued under the new Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Its release symbolized the start of a reformed and independent monetary authority. It was also part of the improved Flora and Fauna series, which had started earlier in 1983 under the central bank. However, the 1993 version of the 5 peso coin introduced a new reverse design that included the modern BSP logo, a significant change that commemorated the bank's rebirth. This coin was issued for circulation only in the year 1993, making it a one-year-only type, which is notable in coin collecting. The obverse side of the coin features a portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo, a revolutionary leader and the first president of the Philippines. Aguinaldo led the country to independence from Spanish colonial rule in 1898. Including his image on the coin was a tribute to his legacy and the continuing struggle for sovereignty and reform, values that also aligned with the establishment of the new BSP. While many may overlook the 1993 5 peso coin as just another piece of change, its historical significance lies in its timing and symbolism. It marked the transition from old to new governance in the country's financial system. It was the first to bear the new BSP seal, and it continued to honor Philippine heroes during a time when the nation was redefining itself. Year of issue *** 1993 purpose ** circulation under the newly created BSP symbolism ** political transition, modernization, national identity unique fact ** 1 year issue with a newly adopted institutional seal. So next time you come across a 1993 5 peso coin, remember, it's not just metal. It's a symbol of the Philippines' journey through change, growth, and national pride. The condition of a coin, also called its grade, is the most important factor when determining its value. A common 1993 5 peso coin in poor condition might just be worth face value, but one in pristine condition? That could be a treasure for collectors. Description ***. The coin looks brand new, no wear at all. Full detail on Aguinaldo's hair, clear rim, and perfect BSP logo. Value ***. 150, 300 plus pesos, or more if sold in sets. Tip ***, rare in circulation. These coins were either stored properly or part of BSP mint sets. Show side-by-side comparisons of 1993 5 peso coins in each condition. Use zoom-in shots to highlight worn versus sharp details. Include text overlays with each condition's name and value estimate. The better the condition, the higher the value. So check your 1993 5 peso coin closely. It might just be more than old spare change, especially if it still shines like the day it was minted.